Now the next one is flotation, or the topic of this flotation is principle of flotation. So in the case of flotation, you know that this one is a body that immersed in a liquid, that is partially immersed in a liquid. So when a body is partially immersed or fully immersed in a liquid, there are two types of forces acted on the body. The first one is the weight of the body that you have seen here. This weight of the body is acting downward, and second one is called the upthrust. That upthrust is FB. That upthrust is applied by the liquid on the body. So for flotation, there are three cases of weight and upthrust. So by these three cases, we can find this in which case the body is float, in which case the body is sink. So moving towards the first case is that when weight is greater than F dash B. F dash B is the maximum upthrust. Here we have to considering the three cases. First case is W is greater than upthrust, W is equals to upthrust, and W is less than upthrust. So in the first case, when the weight of the body is greater than the upthrust, that means when the weight of the body is greater than upthrust, so the net force is basically applied on the downward side, because this value of the upthrust is less. So the net force is what? Net force is W minus F dash B, because the value of F dash B is less and the value of the W is greater. So when the value of the W is greater, so the body will sink into the liquid. Clear? Now a second case is that when the value of the weight and upthrust both are equal. So when the weight and the upthrust, the weight is applying from upward to the downward side and upthrust is applying from the lower side to the upward side. So when these two forces are equal, so in that case the body will float. So this one is the case when body will float and the apparent weight of the body at that condition is equal, because the total weight we have to find out, your total force we have to find out on this body is W minus Fs. So that W minus Fs is equals to 0, because both are equal. Now the third case is that when weight is less than to the upthrust, that means the upward force that applied by the liquid is greater and the force that is applied by the weight is less. So in that case the figure is like that. So this weight is less and this one is greater. So this one is greater, that is applied to the upward side. So in this case when we have to find out the net force, so the net force will comes as Fv minus W. So this Fv minus W is for the floating. So there are two cases in which the body will float. The first case is that when weight of the body is equal to the upthrust, and second one is that when the weight of the body is less than the upthrust. So in these two cases the body will float.